Hello?
Who's this?
Hello, this is Maria. I think I left my baby at your house.
Who is this?
Maria, I think I left my baby at your house.
Seriously?
Hello?
Uh-huh.
I think I left my baby at your house.
Your baby.
See?
And when were you at my house?
Today. Or yesterday. Yup.
Right.
Yup. I left my baby at your house.
Okay.
Can you look for her?
What's your baby's name?
Her name's Annie.
Annie. Who is it?
Maria.
Yeah, I don't know the Marias. I think you, got the wrong number.
Are you sure? She needs her pills.